So this time off the AQA paper, quite unusually, we've got a 6 marker. So plenty going on, as you can see, loads of words. It's only question 13, so it's not quite into the tougher questions at the end, but it's certainly enough words to put people off. So let's keep the same process. Read one line at a time. A charity sends an appeal letter, 3,000 people. Can't do any maths, but certainly going to bank that information. The letter asks for a donation. Don't care. Here is some information. Don't care. Half of the people who were sent the letter. Stop. We can earn a mark. We can do some maths. Half of the 3,000 people make a donation. The average donation was that. So, again, notice, don't need to use all the lines. It's not an exercise in space filling. We can utilise the space up here. On your calc, take your £8.60, times it by 1,500, and we're getting £12,900. Move on. A third of the people who made a donation. So a third of these 1,500 people. It's 500 people. So this is where I'm going to use a bit of the space at the bottom. Again, I'm not reading the question. Let's just use the information. Of these 500 people, their donation of £8.60 was increased. So we've already included, so we don't want to be multiplying by 1.25. We want to be multiplying by 0.25. Because we're going to say, because we've already done it for the 1,500 people, we've included it in there. So we're only going to do now the government donation. All right, so you've got these 500 people filled in the form, so the government is adding on £8.60 times 0.25 extra. Into your calcs, let's stick it all in. 500 times 8.6 times 0.25. So that means the government are adding on a £1,075 donation. Now we can actually read the question. Using this info, work out the amount the charity can expect to receive. So we've got all the information we're looking for. £12,900 from the people, £1,075 from the government. Add those two together. £13,975. One line at a time. Don't rush in. You try and read all that information in one go, blows your mind, and you lose where you are in the question. Do not read these questions from beginning to end. One line at a time. Don't care what your teacher says. Don't read the whole thing. Hope that helps. See you on the next video.